Let's look at adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. An adjective gives more information about something or someone. An adjective generally describes a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. The scary spider. The spider is scary. The sad boy. The boy is sad. The talented girl. The girl is talented. Here are some more opposite adjectives. Hot, cold. Today it is hot. The man is very cold. Happy, sad. The boy is happy because it's his birthday. Sad, he is sad because he is sick. Young, old. They are young, but he is old. Fast, slow. You must not drive too fast in your new car. A snail is very slow. Rich, poor. The young man is rich and the old man is poor. Strong, weak. He is strong, but his brother is weak. Thin, fat. This man is thin, but the other man is fat. Now it's your turn. Can you make sentences with the following adjectives? Join our fun, interactive classes with native teachers and level up your speaking skills fast. Let's make learning fun and effective. Sign up now.